Hello all you guys. Welcome to the HDbubalus channel. Today we are showing how to install the saddlebag guardrails on this Harley 2018 Electra Glide. Okay, let's start. First, disassemble the screws of the cast mount clamp before installing. Remove the clamp of the saddlebag guardrails. Next, place the guardrails in a suitable position on the motorcycle. Tighten the screws. Fasten the screws on the rear side of the guardrails first. The next step, we mount the cast mount's clamp. Adjust the position. Fasten the other half of the cast mount's clamp. Tighten the screws. Okay, at this point, the installation has been completed. The installation process takes a few minutes. Let's see the final effect. Made of heavy-duty steel rails, protect the lower portion of the hard saddlebag. Finally, please don't forget to follow us. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye!